Thinglink, organising resources to create a 360 tour. I've already selected what photos I'd like for my tour, and I've created two folders within a folder for my tour, one with my 360 images in it and my map, and the other one with assets. This is where I'm going to arrange all these pictures that I've decided to include in my tour. These aren't 360 photos, but I want to add them as hotspots in my 360 photos. So what I've done is I've created 6 folders which match my 6 360 images, and I'm going to select the photos that go with each 360 photo and drag them into the folder of that photo. Now that I've arranged all my photos for my 360 images into my asset folders, I'm also going to check that I've got enough images for each 360 photo. So my first one is fine. My second one, I haven't got anything yet, so I need to go back and find some assets to go on this one. My third one again is blank, so I need to find some more images to go with that 360. My fourth one has got some images. My fifth one has got some images. And my last one has got some images. So I'm now going to go back to my folder where I took those original photos when I went on this excursion. And I found 4 other images which will suit those photos which I didn't have any images for. This one here I didn't include in my first one, so that fits in with the photo in 6. And then these ones can go into my 360 photos that I haven't got in any assets for yet. So I'm just going to rename those images and then work out which 360 photo they go with. So this first one and this second one. So let's put the jetty into the third 360 photo asset folder, and then the water pollution and the water can go into 360 photo number 2. Now that I've done that, I'm ready to start creating my 360 tour. Again, I'm just going to check that I've got some assets in each of those folders that I can add to each of those 360 photos once I start to make my tour.